Welcome to Read Kids. Let's have some trivia game about farm animals. Are you ready, children? Round 1. Cows can fly. Is it true or false? The answer is good job. It's false. Cows cannot fly. Next round. Ducks have webbed feet. The answer is true. Round 3. Sheep say moo. The answer is false. Next, horses have 4 legs. The answer is true. Pigs can swim. The answer is true. Roosters lay eggs. The answer is false. Roosters cannot lay eggs. Goats have birds. The answer is true. Llamas have soft, woolly fur. The answer is true. Geese only eat meat. The answer is false. Rabbits lay eggs. The answer is false. Well done, children.